Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I will show you a super easy method to convert a YouTube video into an MP3 file on your Android device without downloading any extra apps. This method is quick, simple, and doesn't require technical skills. If you want to turn a YouTube video into an audio file for offline listening, this tutorial is for you. Here's a quick overview of what we will dash through. Step 1. Download the YouTube video. Step 2. Locate the downloaded video. Step 3. Convert the video to MP3. Step 4. Play the MP3 file. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the YouTube video. First step is to download the video you want to convert. Open the YouTube Studio app on your Android device. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Follow the steps once inside the YouTube Studio. 1. Tap on the Content tab at the bottom of the screen. 2. A list of all your uploaded YouTube videos will appear. 3. Find the video you want to download and select it. 4. Tap on the three dots next to the video. 5. From the menu that appears, choose Save to Device. Once selected, your video will start downloading. The time it takes depends on the file size and internet speed. After the download is complete, you are ready for the next step. Step 2. Locate the downloaded video. Now that the video is saved on your device, you need to find it. Open your phone's File Manager app, which may be called Files or My Files depending on your device. Here's how to locate the file. 1. Open the File Manager app. 2. Navigate to the Movies or Downloads folder. 3. Scroll until you find the downloaded video. 4. Tap on the file to reveal additional options. Step 3. Convert the video to MP3. Now let's convert the video into an MP3 audio file without using any extra apps. 1. Rename the file. Tap and hold the video file, then select Rename. 2. Change the file extension. At the end of the file name, remove .mp4 and replace it with .mp3. 3. Save the changes. Tap OK or Save to confirm. Once renamed, your Android device will recognize the file as an audio track instead of a video. Step 4. Play the MP3 file. Now that your file is converted, open your favorite music player app, such as Google Music, VLC, or another audio player. Locate the MP3 file and tap to play it. And that's it. You have successfully converted a YouTube video into an MP3 file on your Android device without downloading any extra apps. This method is perfect if you want to save space while keeping your favorite YouTube content in audio format. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.